Today I'm gonna be upgrading from this piece of shit to this new Redragon k688. Up. Oh, that is a nice white color. Oh, look this. Oh, it's a C. Oh, it's a C cable. A nice thing for swapping your switches. And the keyboard itself. Yeah, it's a nice box. Oh, it even comes with extra switches. That's cool. So yeah, this thing has linear switches. I mean, I'm not really a keyboard expert, but... Okay, so let's do a little keyboard comparison. So nice. So yeah, this thing even has these little kick feet on the back that are height adjustable. So you can have level 1, have a small amount of height, or you can up it to a higher one to get an even more aggressive angle at your keyboard, which is how I'll probably be keeping it. So yeah, I did get the white version, which admittedly it doesn't really fit with my full black setup, but it is a really nice keyboard. This is my first ever actual like good mechanical keyboard, because that is a $5 keyboard from Temu, and this is an actual very high quality keyboard. It even feels super sturdy. I mean, for you might not if you have actually had a good keyboard, but this is amazing for me. So yeah, overall this thing is absolutely amazing. Let me now show you some of the RGB light. Oh, the cable has Velcro. Let's plug it in. Nice. Take the cap off. And let's plug it into the back. Nice. Okay, it's attached. It works. Nice. This keyboard. There, let's get the wire away. I don't know what I'm really gonna do with these extra switches, but it's fine. Yeah, so, ooh, look, the default one is quite nice. But I'm pretty sure FN plus insert. Oh, it changes. Oh, look at this. That's amazing. Now there's like a pass-through rainbow. Then the whole thing is a rainbow. Then there's upwards, sideways again. And it like makes a circle animation. That looks awesome. And then it turns off. This is amazing.